Welcome, today I'm with Razer Basilisk V3 and I'll show you what you can find inside the box. It's a little bit weird, but I just probably... Oh yeah, we don't have to cut it out, we can just simply remove it with our fingers. Yeah, there it is. So I don't want to damage the box, so that's why I was thinking about the unboxing of the box. But yeah, never mind. Here we can find some kind of the paperwork, probably. Yeah, it's some kind of the information. Oh, there we get the stickers inside. That's cool. And here we can find the safety information and other stuff. So we are going to just skip this one. And here we can find the mouse itself. Okay, and there it is. Of course, I'm gonna plug it right now. Okay, and the mouse is turned on, as you can see. We get here the RGB lighting, it changes. Maybe I can turn off the light to show you better how it looks. So currently it's yellow, but probably it's going to turn to the green one. Yeah, there it is. There's the click of the mouse. Very nice. We got here the buttons, programmable buttons. But this one makes very weird sound. So when I press this one, it feels like our slider is moving a little bit. We get here the profiles that we can change at the bottom. Here we can find the serial number. Yeah, I think that's all. So yeah, that's how it looks inside, and there's nothing more to say. Of course, there's a lot of things when you plug it to the Razer application. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.